In this video, we will show you how to change group chat name on Instagram. To change your group chat name, first in here, you need to click this message icon. After that, select your group name. Okay, for example, this is our group name. Okay, just click this. And to change the group name, just type the group name in here. For example, okay, then you can click the checklist here. Now, the group name, when you back into the message, you can see now have the group name here. Okay, and you can also change the theme. Okay, you can also change the name and image in here. Okay, and that's all how you can change group name on Instagram. Hope this video helpful for you.